In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. When you're ready, scroll down again, this time to select Privacy Controls. Now hit Permission Manager over here and select any feature you wish to manage. In my case, camera. Now it's time to pick one of your apps. I will go with Amazon Shopping from Not Allowed section. Then apply one of those options. In this case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Amazon Shopping just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can also select any feature just to find an app you wish to manage. Like for example, I will go into microphone to access from. And instead of selecting any of those options, scroll all the way down to click on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!